Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and if already watching my videos, thank you so very much. Okay, so this video is very special to me because this is the first video which I am making as a mom. So this is very special to me, of course, and I really wanted to make this video from a long time, but I was not getting the right time to make it, or else you can say I did not had much time because these were the initial days when I was spending time with Shivansh. So now as he's turned 6 months and I have a lot of time with myself, so I thought to make this video, and I believe that this video would really be helpful for all the moms, all the new moms, and for all the people who are about to get moms and their delivery date, their due date is nearby the corner. So I think this would be really helpful. I believe so. So let's quickly move into the video and see what I have for you guys, and I hope you people like it. Okay, so, and as you might have already guessed what this video is going to be about, so I'll not just enhance my entire, I would not just be elaborating what I am going to talk about in this video. I'll just quickly move on to what I have to say and my views on whether a child should be kept on diapers or on cloth nappies. Okay, so the first question which I think majority of people come up with is that it's safe to use a diaper or not. So guys, to answer that question, I'll say definitely is yes, you can definitely invest your money in a diaper, and trust me guys, it is very safe for babies, because I remember when my due date was coming nearby, so I was also told कि नहीं आप ना cloth nappy use करना, वो ज़्यादा safe होता है. So I told my mom कि चलो बना लो, but by God's grace मेरा बेबी इतनी सर्दी में हुआ कि सब लोगों ने मुझ पे थोड़ी सी दया खा ली और मेरे को बोला नहीं आप डाइपर पहन लो. आई थिंक शायद शिवांश ने एक बार डाइपर नापी पहनी होगी, और वो भी मेरी बेवकूफ़ी की वजह से ही था, बिकॉज जब आप पहली बार माँ बनते हो यू आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ मेनी थिंग्स, एंड सब आपसे दुनिया में उम्मीद करते हैं कि यू शुड बी परफेक्ट एज अ मॉम. सो गाइज, द फर्स्ट थिंग which I am telling you is that you cannot be perfect for the first time. आप धीरे धीरे ही eventually सीखते हो, and this is the reason I am here making this video, ताकि the mistakes which I have made in my initial days, I do not want it to happen for the other moms who are also in this dilemma to use a cloth nappy or a diaper. So now quickly move on. Now we'll quickly move on to see what are the benefits of using a diaper over a cloth nappy, so that you can explain it to your parents or your in-laws that क्यों आपके लिए डाइपर और आपके बेबी के लिए डाइपर बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. बट उससे पहले मैं आपको एक चीज ये बताती हूँ that either of the things you are using, if you're using a diaper or if you're using a cloth nappy, please make this as a thumb rule to clean the area, to clean the pubic areas for your child. Even if you're using a cloth nappy or you're using a diaper, make it a point that every time your baby passes on the stools, you are cleaning the area, because that is the first thumb rule for any mom which you should be doing. Okay, so one thing which you need to really take care of is that कि सबसे पहली चीज अगर आपको कुछ भी करनी है तो ये करनी है कि आपको एक अच्छे डाइपर में इन्वेस्ट करना है. ये नहीं कि मैं वीडियो में बोल रही हूँ कि डाइपर्स आर वेरी सेफ देन योर क्लॉथ नैपीज, सो यू कैन बाय एनी डाइपर. नो गाइज, प्लीज इन्वेस्ट इन गुड डाइपर्स इफ you do not wish your baby to have rashes. As I've mentioned, the first most important thing, which is investing in a good diaper. You can go with the Pampers. This, I think, that is one of the best diapers. Active Baby करके उसका एक diaper आता है, which is of a premium quality. So you can definitely invest in that. A thumbs up to that. Secondly, the most important thing you have to take care while using a diaper is that please change your baby's diaper in 2 to 3 hours, maximum 3 hours, but ideally it should be cleaned in 2 hours to maintain the hygiene. Because you think yourself, if a lady who is on her periods and she's applied pads, and if you're told to be on your pads for a long duration of time, how much irritation will you feel? Guys, it is the same way for a baby. So please do not delay in changing your baby's diaper in every 2 to 3 hours. This is the second most important thing which you have to take care of. The third very important thing is that please invest in a good rash cream, or the best thing is apply a coconut oil in your baby's area, because I think coconut oil that is one thing which will prevent your baby to get rashes, just in case your baby your baby's skin is very sensitive or anything like that. So this thing is very important, which you should follow. And then just in case if your baby has a very sensitive skin, you will miss the chances of your baby will miss the chance of getting rash in your skin, and this would again be a plus for using a diaper. Then apart from that, one thing which many of us tend to ignore is that how we should clean the area. See guys, I'll share my experience, and it was that I'll share my experience. It was that I still remember that day that Shivansh has pooped, and as he was a boy, I had no idea how to clean, because it was the first time I cleaned the area. But in the corners, in the thigh corners, there was some area which was left to be cleaned, and I was not aware that you need to clean your baby in that area also. And luckily someone from the family came up and told that you've not cleaned that area, so I was saved from my baby getting rashes. But for all the moms who give birth to a baby boy, please make sure you are cleaning each and entire area very properly, very gently. This is one tip which I'll give to everybody. I know many of you might be thinking कि यार ये तो बेसिक है कि आपको पूरा एरिया ढंग से क्लीन करना है, बट गाइज ट्रस्ट मी, जो भी लोग नई मॉम बनते हैं और जिनको थोड़ा सा भी हल्का सा भी ऐसा लगता है कि यार ये पहली बार है, मैं कैसे करूंगी, वो कुछ ना कुछ स्टेप ये में मिस करते हैं और वहीं से रैश शुरू होते हैं. सो मेक इट अ पॉइंट कि यू आर क्लीनिंग इट वेरी जेंटली, वेरी प्रॉपरली, एंड जब वो पूरा क्लीन हो जा रहा है, लेट इट ड्राई नेचुरली. यस, डू नॉट पुट एनी क्लॉथ और उससे साफ करो, नहीं. जब आपने साफ कर दिया है, साफ करने के बाद उसको नॉर्मली क्लीन होने दो, नॉर्मली सूखने दो. जब वो सूख जाए उसके बाद आप उस पे अपना रैश क्रीम लगाइए या कोकोनट ऑयल लगाए. इट इज टोटली अप टू यू. आई प्रेफर यूजिंग कोकोनट ऑयल बिकॉज दिल्ली में बहुत गर्मी है, एंड गर्मी में वो आपकी बेबी को लोअर एरिया में थोड़ा सा ठंडक दे सकता है, इसलिए मैं कोकोनट ऑयल प्रेफर करती हूँ. और नेचुरली आई बिलीव कोकोनट ऑयल के अपने ही यूजेस हैं, वो नेचुरल भी है थोड़ा एज कम्पेयर टू द रैश क्रीम्स. आई एम नॉट कंप्लेनिंग कि रैश क्रीम्स कुछ बुरी हो सकती हैं, बट अपना अपना पर्सपेक्टिव है. सो दिस इज अगेन अ थिंग विच वन शुड totally do when you put your babies on diaper. So one thing which you really need to take care apart from all these factors is that just in case your baby gets rashes by any chance, please make sure that you're leaving the area completely open up for some period of time. Just make your baby wear pajamas or cloth nappy for some point of time, and apply a lot of rash cream and coconut oil for that matter. And once the rashes are completely dry and they are completely fine, then you can again switch over to your diapers. And guys, this generally happens, the rashes generally happens because either you have not chosen a good diaper, you are not applying a good rash cream, you are not cleaning or letting dry the area before applying the next diaper. And the fourth most important thing is you are not choosing the correct diaper size. Yes guys, choosing a correct size is also very important if you're putting your babies on diaper, because imagine you're wearing something which is very tight, or for any girl who's on periods, a basic example for all the ladies there, you are on your periods and you get a lot of heavy flow during your initial days. On those days, if somebody is giving you a wrong size of diaper, or you're wearing a wrong underwear on your periods, what will happen? You'll get a lot of rashes around your thigh area. This is the same thing which happens to a baby if you are not choosing a good diaper, or if you are not taking care of the baby's diaper size. Yes, please invest in a size which is a little big than your baby's actual birth size. If for example it's written that the small size ranges from 3 to 7, make sure as your baby reaches 6, please switch over to the one size bigger, which is the M size. This is one thing which you need to really take care of. I think I hope I was able to clear out your initial thoughts on if the diaper is safe or not. Now I will just quickly tell you that what are the advantages of using a diaper over a cloth nappy. So the first and the most important thing which I think is a plus in our generation is that हम अच्छे से तमीज से सो सकते हैं. See, what I know is, I remember my mom telling me कि वो हर एक घंटे में, हर आधे घंटे में उठती थी, रात भर उठ के उन्होंने हमें पाला है, पोसा है. I understand they've done a lot for us, but diapers have made our life much more easier. By making it easier, I mean is कि अगर आपने by chance आपने अपने बेबी को क्लॉथ नापी पहनाई है, तो उससे क्या होगा कि आपको हर आधे घंटे में, 20 मिनट में, जो भी आपकी बेबी का पी टाइमिंग है, आपको उसको चेक करना पड़ेगा, बार बार छू के देखना पड़ेगा. एंड दैट कैन बी अ लिटिल बिट डिस्कम्फर्टेबल फॉर यू एंड फॉर योर बेबी ऑल्सो. सो आई थिंक दिस इज वन बिग एडवांटेज ऑफ यूजिंग अ डाइपर, विच इज कि आपको पता है कि आपको 2 से 3 घंटे में अगर वो चेंज करना है, तो आप उस 2 से 3 घंटे के बीच में यू कैन डू योर XYZ वर्क. You can sleep in that time area, anything, and your baby can also peacefully sleep. Another thing which I think it is very basic and everyone knows is that अगर if you've put your baby in cloth nappy, you will have to check it each and every time. And इतना सा भी if your baby has pooped out or passed on the urine, you have to quickly change it. And just in case if you've missed to remove the cloth nappy and your baby is left dry, left wet in that situation, the next time you see in 1 or 2 hours, your baby will get rashes, उसको इरिटेशन होने लगेगी और वो बेचारा बता भी नहीं पाएगा. सो दिस इज द सेकेंड मोस्ट एडवांटेज विच आई थिंक इज ऑफ यूजिंग अ डाइपर, बिकॉज डाइपर की एक सोकिंग कैपेसिटी होती है जो एक टाइम ड्यूरेशन के लिए आपके बेबी के यूरिन को अच्छे से सोक कर लेता है. तो आपकी बेबी को डिस्कम्फर्टेबल भी नहीं होगा, वो अच्छे से खेल भी रहा होगा. जस्ट इन केस इफ ही स्लीपिंग, वो आराम से सो भी पाएगा. The third thing which I find that take cloth nappies से ज्यादा आपके डाइपर्स क्यों बेटर हैं, वो इसलिए हैं क्योंकि आप कुछ भी कह लो, लोग बोलते हैं कि क्लॉथ नापी ज्यादा अच्छे हैं, ये है वो है. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है ना, डाइपर इफ यू यूजिंग, आप उसको एक यूज करोगे, उसको आप रीयूज नहीं कर सकते. इट इज नॉट रीयूजेबल. आप उठाओगे, आप उसको निकालोगे और उसको डस्टबिन में फेंकोगे. क्लॉथ नापी का क्या है, यू विल रिमूव द क्लॉथ नापी, उसको धोगे, चाहे डिटॉल से धो, जेंटल से धो, किसी से भी धो, उसको धो के आप रीयूज करोगे, तो वहां से एक इन्फेक्शन होने के चांसेस सबसे ज्यादा होते हैं. दिस इज माई बिलीव. सो एंड दिस इज वेरी लॉजिकली इफ आई टॉक अबाउट, कि वहां से एक इन्फेक्शन कैच होने के चांसेस सबसे ज्यादा होते हैं. So this is again a plus of using a diaper over a cloth nappy. So next time if somebody comes up and tells you that भाई क्लॉथ नैपी ना बहुत ज्यादा सेफ होता है. तो प्लीज गो एंड टेल दोज पीपल टू वॉच माई वीडियो एंड मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाई डायपर्स आर रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर बेबी, स्पेशली फॉर द न्यू बॉर्न बेबीज जिनकी स्किन ऑलरेडी बहुत ज्यादा जेंटल और बहुत ज्यादा सॉफ्ट होती है. एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइज, अगर ये सारे स्टेप्स आपने फॉलो किए हैं आपकी बेबी के रैशेज नहीं होंगे. मेरी बेबी को एक बार रैश हुआ है एंड आई बिलीव वो मेरी ही गलती की वजह से हुआ था, जो मैंने आपको पहले बता चुकी हूँ कि वो किस वजह से हुआ है. एंड बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस अभी तक उसको एक भी रैश नहीं हुआ है उस दिन के बाद, बिकॉज आई हैव मेड श्योर कि मैंने ये सारे स्टेप्स फॉलो किए हैं. एंड दिस इज द रीजन आई एम हियर टेलिंग ईच एंड एवरी वन जो नया मॉम बन रहे हैं एंड जो थोड़े से कंफ्यूज्ड हैं या उनके ऊपर थोड़ा सा भी प्रेशर होता है कि उनको क्लॉथ नैपीज ही यूज करने हैं. प्लीज मेक योर पेरेंट्स, योर इन लॉज, एवरीबडी अराउंड योर फैमिली अंडरस्टैंड दैट इट इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट to fight over using a cloth nappy or a diaper, but it is very important to choose the best and to choose the best product for your baby. So I hope I was able to clear out most of your doubts, and still if somebody tells you to use a cloth nappy, please tell them to watch this video. And I hope I have cleared out the doubts of many moms जो अभी भी इस कंफ्यूजन में होंगी कि क्या लेना चाहिए क्या नहीं. सो गाइज, फ्रॉम माई साइड, बिकॉज माई बेबी इज स्टिल 6 months ओनली, आई कम्प्लीटली रिकमेंड यूजिंग अ डाइपर, बट ओनली अ गुड ब्रांडेड डाइपर. ऐसे कुछ भी उठा के यूज मत कर लीजिएगा. एंड प्लीज फॉलो ऑल द स्टेप्स विच आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. एंड आई होप to solve the queries for the moms in my next videos also. I'll see you next time with another baby video or a beauty vlog or a cooking vlog. I don't know what will I come up with next, but I will make sure that I am satisfying each and every one of your questions and basic thoughts which everyone has. So guys, please do take care of yourself. Do not go out during this COVID time, and if you really liked the video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and please hit the bell icon so that you can so that you are notified with the videos which I would be uploading next. So guys, please take care. Please give lots of love to this video because I really enjoyed making this video. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye bye. Take care.
Shivansh, my mommy keeps me in diapers and I'm super happy.